Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Craft. In today's video, we are going to talk about a special kind of paper cutting, that is inlay paper cutting. What it means is that you do the regular paper cut and then you fill the paper cut design with colorful paper or patterns at the background to create an inlay effect. So guys, let's get started. For this tutorial, the design that I have chosen is a simple decorative Easter egg since Easter is coming up. When you are choosing design for inlay paper cutting, it is important that you choose design which has thick lines. Basically, you will be doing a line paper cutting, that is, except the black lines that create the design, you remove everything else, all the white areas. Some of the white areas will form part of the final design and some of the white areas will be like completely useless background area, or you can say the noise area in your design, which we will remove completely, and you will see at the end how to do that. I'm going to use OLFA paper cutting knife to do my paper cutting, and the craft paper that I'm using over which I have pasted my template is 220 GSM pastel white paper. Now the first step is obviously to cut out the design. So basically what I'll do is that except the black areas on the design, I'm going to remove everything else and cut out the border of the design also. I'm not going to talk too much about it because I have several videos on my channel which talk about the basics of paper cutting, so you can refer to those videos. And I'll now directly jump to the end where I have finished the paper cutting and proceed to the next step of how to do the inlay. Here I am almost done with the design, and now all that is left is to cut out the border and remove the design from the craft paper. So this is how my paper cutting piece looks like right now. It's completely white because it was done on the white craft paper, and now it's time to create inlay effect in it. And for that I'm going to utilize this alcohol ink design that my wife had created some time back, and I'm going to use this as a background. Now there are many ways in which you can do the inlay paper cutting, and the one that I'm demonstrating in today's video is the simplest one, where you utilize a single piece of paper as the entire background and then remove the unwanted portions from your design. There are many artists who do very intricate inlay paper cutting by putting individual pieces of paper for each part of the design, and that also comes out really beautiful. But for now, let's stick the paper cutout that we have done by applying glue on the back of it and then paste it over the alcohol ink art, which I'm going to utilize as the background. Once you have secured your paper cutting art over the background, let it dry out for some time. Let the glue completely dry off, and then we will remove the unwanted portions. Finally, now it's time to remove the unwanted portions. What I mean by unwanted portions are certain parts of the design which are just white area or noise area, which do not form any specific piece to the design. So in this design there are flowers connected by leaves, etc., but there is gap between the flowers which is not part of the leaves or not part of the flowers. So those are the areas which we are removing. It's essential that you remove every single tiny unwanted part, because that is what will give a final inlay effect to your design. If you skip small areas, then it's quite possible that it doesn't give out the actual inlay effect. So you have to be very patient with regards to removing the unwanted area so that you can get that final effect. And now I'm almost done with the design, and it's time to cut out the border of my paper cutting design so that I can get the final inlay paper cutting. And this is how my art looks like after I have removed any and all unwanted areas, and this looks really beautiful against a black background. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY tutorial on a variation of paper cutting. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts and other forms of arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.